Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I'm trying to get these videos done that should have been filmed quite a while ago, so I want to get them filmed and over with. This is a little project, one of only two projects I did during Christmas break, and I just finished one other little project I'll be sharing next. This was a free digi from, oh my gosh, my brain just went, Izzybee Creations. Um, she's just she does amazing paper crafts, and I love watching her. And she usually gives away a free a free kit thing every now and again. And for Christmas, she gave this one away. So I made it, and of course I had to embellish it a little more and change it up a little more and make it a little bit mine. And as you can see, my envelope doesn't quite close because the little journal thing inside is so packed. I may have to take some stuff out of it. But I did use all the papers that it came with, and then kind of added a little more of my own pockets and things like that. So I'm going to take the inside out and then show you the envelope um, when it closes. And I probably just need to take some things out of here because it's a little full. So this is the box, and she gives you all of the stuff to teach you how to make this as well. She did it a different way where the whole thing just kind of wrapped around. I had to change it up a little bit and make it a little bit more of my own. So I put the little tag on separate. I just punched a little hole in it after I built the box, because you actually build the little box. And I decorated it all with designer paper. This is it's Raining Cats and Dogs, but it's called Animal Friends, I believe, by Graphic 45. And I made this for my sister, of course, because, you know, she loves her animals, and she does usually have dogs and cats. Right now she only has one dog and two cats. So I made this for her over Christmas, but I changed it and made my opening a little different. I kind of made it like you would wear a belt, and then it just pulls down, and then it has a little button at the end. But because there's so much in here, it doesn't quite fit in the envelope. So I might have to empty a few things out and just put it to the side so that the envelope actually sits close like this. But this is, it's not really supposed to be a book. It had two, this page, this inner page, and then this envelope. And I kind of went to town and added extra pages and extra pockets and extra, and so it's a little big. So we'll just kind of go through it, and there's all different pictures. Some will have lucky dogs, some will say, I love my dog, I love my cat, but I actually loved the paper, and I think I got it in a D-stash, so I used all of what was left, and I probably didn't need to do that, but I did. So that's the front, and after you make the three, you just connect them together. It's inside this envelope, so you don't actually see it, and then it ties on the outside. So you can, well, you can't really take it apart anymore because this little envelope thing is glued together now. So it's pretty much going to stay like that. So this is the first page, and it does have, you know, I created more than one pocket, and they all have little postcards and things to write on. The back is kind of just designer paper, and then they had all these little animal stamps, and this is glue on my hands. I was on live earlier, so don't mind my hands. And they have all these little stamps with the dogs and cats on them, which I think is so cute. So you're going to see a lot of these throughout there. So there's supposed to be like one pocket here. This is one of them that comes in the kit, but I made it more than that. So it's got one here, it's got one here, and it's got one, and now see, I won't get in it, and it's got one here. Here, let me do this. I know I have a little tweezer somewhere, so we're going to use that just so I can get it back out. Like I said, me, it's more about the decorating part. I don't know if you can get to all this stuff, but, and then there's a pocket in here. So it does have quite a few pockets just on the first page. You probably didn't need that many. I kind of like just the design aspect of it, so she can probably just stick them all right there. and then just embellished it. You'll see some laces in here and some fabrics and paper as embellishment as I go through it. So then you turn the page, and I made this one into a pocket, and then these are inside, just some more little pieces of paper. This is a very colorful paper set here. And then this side, and again I used paper as reinforcers, and then this little pocket, and then of course it's got more. Oh, and then I made this little one, this little postcard into a little pocket, and in the back it's got just little separate little stamps that, you know, this is all stuff she can use in something else if she wants to. So that one's got that in it, and they just go in here. And then of course I put a little stamp there, and a lot of my pages are sewn. You'll see that I kind of just sewn. I sewed the pockets on. My English isn't really good tonight. And then I made another pocket. Like I said, it wasn't supposed to have all these pockets. That's probably why it doesn't close. And then in this one, of course, it's got more of the little stamps and more postcards. And then I made some tags out of the papers and added just some lace and seam binding and stuff. So that's that one. And I'm sure decorating each page with paper on both sides, because I used craft card and then I decorated it, so that made it a lot thicker as well. And then this was one of the other ones. It's a little like envelope, and in it it has a tag that I decorated and a little postcard, and you make this little like pocket envelope. And then I just decorated the tab with some satin and some lace and a button, but I did both sides. So from either side you have a button and stuff. And then on the back I added my own little pocket. Again, this wasn't supposed to be there. I just kind of go overboard and, you know, made some little tags. And of course we've got more of these little stamps everywhere. These little stamps are everywhere because there were tons of them. So I just kind of stuck them all in this little pocket right here. Oh, where did this go? This goes in here. Sorry. And then you have this side of that first one. So this side right here. And that side. And again, I added more pockets than need be. And then added some more, made some more tags just out of the paper. See, there's more of the tickets. And then another card and a little card. And those just go in here. Like I said, this thing is just so full. Over full. And then the back, I did the same thing. Again, more of the little stamps. And then I even used it to make a little pocket. So I kind of went a little overboard with the pockets. And then I added this little flip card. See, it says, love is a four-legged word. All you need is love and a cat. So I just made this little kind of little flip up. And then I sewed on some satin, or I want to say that's satin trim. And then inside we have another pocket here, right here. Now it didn't need to be. She can use it as one or not use it as one. Like I said, once she takes some of the papers out, I don't think it'll be as full. And then I made a little belly band on the back and put some in here and some little buttons on it. So that's probably taken up some of the thickness too, as these buttons. But you know, doesn't really close. So it's very tight fitting into the envelope, but I've already shown it to her. I just told her I had to do a video of it first before she could have it. So now that I'm done with my video, I can give it to her, and then she can take all the stuff out of it and then put it in the envelope, and it'll probably close. So like I said, this was from Izzybee Creations, Izzybee Craft Creations. She does have an Etsy store. She has a YouTube, and she also has a group, and that's where this came from. Go check her out. She's does some really cool paper crafts, and of course I love listening to her talk. So go check her out and get inspired and try some different things. She shows you quite a few on her channel. of different things she does. So I will be posting this in her group just to show her that I did make it. And then on the front, I just put some more of that satin ribbon with a little button on here and made a little bow. And then that's the back. So that's my little box, and that's the little pocketbook or tag pocketbook, or I'm not sure what she called it. Like I said, I've over embellished it a little bit, but I over embellish everything. So that is my little project, and I just wanted to come on and share it with you guys and give you another channel, although I'm sure most of you probably know who she is. If she doesn't, please go check her out. Find some new inspiration, some different things to do, and if you're a part of her group, she did give this away so that you could go print it out. It is a digital kit, and you can go print it out and make one of your own. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I will be back shortly to share with you yet another project. So have a great evening, everyone, and I'll see you all soon. Don't forget to get out there and create something. Bye for now.